Yo, what's up, everybody? First thing I want to let you guys know is that I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a guy, and I don't have a lot of money. I'm actually pretty poor. But basically, what I'm getting at here is that I can't afford a mechanic. I don't even have a mechanic. I know a couple mechanics, but they're too expensive. I want to show you something here real quick. First I'll tell you about the problem I'm having. The AC on my Lincoln Navigator 2003 with the V8 was not working. It's all coming out of the defrost. So I looked up online, read into it, that's the default mode when there's a vacuum leak. So everybody was saying to get under the hood and check for a vacuum leak. I just want to show you guys what I found, maybe help somebody out somewhere down the road, because I couldn't find anybody who was making Lincoln Navigator videos. I just want to show you here. That's the cover for the engine. You got to pop it off. There's a couple bolts right here that you got to pop off with it. These two little nubs here actually hold it on, so I don't even have the bolts in there. When I need to get under it, I just pop it off. I'm going to show you here what I think is the problem. I really haven't figured it out yet, but you see how that just pops right out? This isn't connected right and needs to be connected. And then on this side, let me see if you can see that good. I have my front camera on, so it's hard for me to judge if you can see it well. Basically, this is cracked and broken, and you can see it just falls right out of there. This needs repaired. So what I'm gonna do is, cut this off and get some vacuum hose from Advanced Auto or whatever, and repair that real quick. The vacuum hose is cheap. They sell it by the foot. They have all sizes. So what I'm going to do is just use vacuum hose and clamp it together with that, because these don't look like vacuum hoses. They look like little foam pieces of Basically, that's what I'm going to do. So I hope that helps somebody out.